rodents bite back. So the viper and its venom have a nifty plan. Bite. And release. Large glands at the back of its head yield enough venom to kill over 600 mice from a single bite. The common krait and this, the Russell's viper, are considered two of the deadliest snakes on Earth. But how do they score against each other? The common krait is reluctant to bite, but when it does, it injects one of the most potently toxic venoms in the world. Found throughout India, it's responsible for tens of thousands of bites each year. And if left untreated, 80% of its victims die. But does the Russell's viper have the edge? Its venom glands are larger, injecting higher doses of lethal venom.